the bumper off. Got it sitting on the bench next to the new / old bumper. The one on the right here is the old one that was off the mid-70s Dodge pickup. The one on the left is the 61 to 68 light-duty bumper that I purchased a while back. Just got that painted last night, so now it's ready to go on tonight. I got the brackets that I made for the 70s bumper off. They come in at an angle, so the bolt holes are staggered. I had slotted them to give me more adjustment so I can get it fitted to the body a little tighter. So I'll end up doing the same thing with this one, except the bolts are parallel as the bumper bracket comes in straight. So this one should be a little bit more straightforward, and it looks like the bolt holes that I previously drilled on the bottom here is almost the exact same as what is on the new bumper. So looks like the new bracket should be pretty simple. And I should add, one of the reasons I do need this bracket is with my body drop that I did to this truck. The body now sits lower than the frame, so where the bumper would normally mount to the frame, it is now 5 inches lower. So I got to use this basically piece of angle iron to drop the frame lower so I can mount the bumper to it.